Good morning, children. This is A. Manoj Kumar, working in Oxford High School, Pugunduru. Welcome to social class. We have been discussing about globe, a model of the Earth. Last session, that means part 1, what I explained you regarding the model of the Earth. Regarding globe, I explained you. After that, axis of the Earth. Regarding that, I explained you Earth moving from west to east direction. Those points you have to remember. This is part 2. Okay. In this session, I am going to explain about latitudes. Mainly in this session, I am going to focus about latitudes. You know regarding the latitudes. See, if I am drawing the globe or okay, if you see the earth, it is in round shape. Last class I explained you. Okay, one line, that is horizontal line, halves the earth into two equal parts. An imaginary line which is passing middle of the earth, that is called equator. An imaginary line, that to be which line? Horizontal line which halves the earth into two equal parts, that is called equator. Okay, so suppose if you see from equator to 90 degrees north, 90 degrees south. Okay, now this is north pole, this is south pole. Equator to 90 degrees, that means north pole, this half is called as northern hemisphere. Equator to 90 degrees south, this is called as southern hemisphere. Okay na? So here I am asking one GK question. On which hemisphere India is located? Simple. On which hemisphere India is located? Then if you don't know, open your world map and see where India is located. Another question, where most of the continents are existed? Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, that also you answer it. Okay na? Where most of the countries are existed? Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Another question, where Antarctic ocean is existed? Okay na, flowing. So that also answer it right. Here come to latitude. An imaginary line, okay, passes middle of the earth, that is equator. Equator halves the earth. Okay, one is northern hemisphere, another one is southern hemisphere. In northern hemisphere, which main latitudes are existed? 23 and half north, 66 and half north. This is point. Another, see, 23 and half south, 66 and half south. This point is south pole. So when come to the northern hemisphere, here important latitudes, 23 and half north latitude is called as Tropic of Cancer. 66 and half northern latitude is called as Arctic Circle. Then this is North Pole. Three important latitudes are Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, North Pole. Here, three important, in southern hemisphere, three important latitudes are 23 and half south latitude is called as Tropic of Capricorn. 66 and half southern latitude is called as Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle. Okay na? Then another one is South Pole. Okay. So Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, then South Pole. These are the important latitudes in the southern hemisphere. Everybody clarity regarding northern hemisphere, regarding southern hemisphere. So that one only I have written here. See the imaginary line running horizontally. This is imaginary line running horizontally. That is called equator. Okay na? Running horizontally on the middle of the globe, divides it into two equal halves. Isn't it or not? This is one equal half. Okay. So another one is another equal half. So known as the equator. Equator divides the earth into two equal halves. Okay na? So first one is northern hemisphere. Second one is southern hemisphere. The half that lies north of the equator is known as the northern hemisphere. I explained you. The half that lies south of the equator. This is south of the equator. This is okay north of the equator. This is south of the equator. Is known as the southern hemisphere. Here also you have clarity. In which hemisphere India is located? I asked you yourself. You find out the answer. Which hemisphere has the maximum number of continents existed? That also I asked you. You try to find out the answer. In which hemisphere continents Antarctica located? That also you try to find it. Very simple questions I asked you. Okay na? So this half everybody clearly understood, I think so. Okay. Latitudes. When come to the latitudes. So just now I drawn one globe. So latitudes. These lines are called horizontal lines or vertical lines. So horizontal lines. Vertical lines means straight lines. Okay. Horizontal lines are called, suppose this is globe. If you see the globe, you are identifying horizontal lines as well as vertical lines. Now we are talking about horizontal lines. These horizontal lines are called as latitudes. Okay na? These horizontal lines are called latitudes. 0 degrees latitude is equator. Just now I explained you. If you observe the globe, okay, then some lines drawn parallel to the equator. Isn't it or not? So this is equator. These lines drawn parallelly to the equator. These lines also drawn parallelly. So parallel means equally. Okay na? Isn't it or not? Understood? So lines drawn parallel to the equator. Latitudes range from 0 degrees to 90 degrees to the north. 0 degrees to 90 degrees to the north. Okay. So 0 degrees to 90 degrees to the south. So now I explained you range of the latitudes. 0 degrees to 90 degrees north. 0 degrees to 90 degrees south. Such a way latitudes drawn imaginary. Okay na? These are called imaginary lines. Okay na? We imagine and drawn. So the 90 degrees latitude on the north is North Pole. So this latitude is called North Pole. This latitude is called South Pole. That one I written. The 90 degrees latitude on the north is North Pole. 90 degrees latitude on the south in the South Pole. There are 90 latitudes in the north, 90 latitudes in the south. Total how many latitudes? 180 plus 1 equator. Your question is 90 latitudes in the north, 90 latitudes in south, total 180 latitudes. If you add equator, total 181 latitudes. Understood? See, total there are 90 latitudes in the north, 90 latitudes in the south. All the latitudes are circles. So This is one latitude. This is circle. This is another latitude. This is also circle. This is another latitude. This is also circle. All latitudes are circles. Okay na? Like this. All latitudes are circles. There are 180 plus 1 latitudes. All latitudes are circles except poles. These are dots. This is North Pole, this is South Pole. These are dots. Understood? These are all not circles. So North Pole and South Pole is not circles. Except on the North Pole and South Pole, remaining all circles. Okay na? Then North Pole, the Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer are the important latitudes in the northern hemisphere. I explained you. On the other hand, South Pole, then South Pole, Antarctic Circle, then Tropic of Capricorn are the important latitudes in the southern hemisphere. That also I explained you. The climate division of the earth can be studied with the help of the latitudes. If you wanted to study the climate, then by that time these latitudes are very helpful. These latitudes are very helpful. Up to now, what we discussed, tell me. We discussed about northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. From here to here, northern hemisphere existed. From 0 degrees to down, south side, southern hemisphere existed. In the northern hemisphere, important latitudes are Tropic of Cancer, then Arctic Circle, then North Pole. Then if you come to the southern hemisphere, important latitudes are Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle and South Pole. There are 180 latitudes plus 1 equator, total 181. These latitudes are circle. These latitudes are parallelly drawn to equator. These latitudes are parallelly drawn to equator. Understood? So, up to now, we discussed about these latitudes. Okay? Another important thing, latitude is that word taken from the Latin word. Latitude is the word taken from the Latin word. Meaning is breadth, width, extent or size. Once again remember, latitude is related to the Latin word. Latitude meaning, okay na? Latitude meaning breadth, width, extent, size. Breadth, width, extent, size. Okay na? Actually latitude is an English word. Latitudo is a Latin word. Latitudo, Latin word meaning breadth, width, extent, size. This point also remember. I am asking one question, that is, which latitude is the biggest circle? Just now I told you all the latitudes are circles. Okay na? Now come to the longitude. Just now I drawn latitude. Okay na? So this is the circle. So now I am drawing the lines perpendicularly to the latitudes. These lines are called as longitudes. That means longitudes are which lines? Vertical lines. Latitudes are which lines? Latitudes are horizontal lines. Longitudes are vertical lines. Okay na? Longitudes are vertical lines or straight lines. Latitudes are horizontal lines. Remember that differentiation. Okay na? Then longitudes. So certain lines drawn perpendicular to the latitudes on the globe. These lines connect the north and south pole. They are called the longitudes. These lines are connecting the north pole and south pole. Isn't it or not? So 0 degrees longitude also called as, okay na? So prime meridian or else Greenwich meridian. Greenwich is a place, is a city located in London. Okay na? So longitudes or meridians. Longitudes also called as meridians. 0 degrees longitude is called as prime meridian, also called as which meridian? Greenwich meridian. So Greenwich is a city located in London. Remember that one. Okay. So longitudes are called meridians. Just now I explained you. 0 degrees longitude is called as prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. The line seen opposite to it is called international dateline. If you see Greenwich meridian, that is called 0 degrees meridian. So if you see this one, opposite 180 degrees longitude is existed, that is international dateline. That is international dateline. Remember that one. Once again I am saying the line seen opposite to it. Opposite to it means opposite to Greenwich meridian. That line is called as international dateline. So 180 degrees longitude also called as international dateline. Remember this one, very very important. 180 degrees longitude also called as international dateline. Based on these two lines, the earth is divided into two hemispheres. So based on this line, the earth is divided into two halves. One is western hemisphere, another one is northern hemisphere. This side is northern hemisphere, this side is western hemisphere. Longitudes from the Greenwich to the international dateline in the eastern are known as eastern longitude, western are called as western hemisphere. In the eastern hemisphere, we have 180 longitudes. In the western hemisphere, we have 180 longitudes. Altogether, how many longitudes we have? We have 360 longitudes, including prime meridian, that is called 0 degrees meridian, also called as Greenwich meridian. Okay na? How many latitudes are there? 180 plus 1, total 181 latitudes. How many longitudes are there? 360 longitudes, including Greenwich meridian. Remember that one. There are 180 degrees longitudes in the west. There are 180 degrees longitudes in the west. Okay na? East side 180 degrees longitudes, west side 180 degrees longitudes, total 360, including Greenwich. So if you wanted to find the location or time, then whether by that time these longitudes and latitudes are very helpful to okay na? Very helpful to us. Remember that one. If you find out a place, location, if you wanted to know the time, by that time which are very helpful to us, the longitudes and the latitudes are very helpful to us. Up to now we discussed about latitudes and longitudes. Both are imaginary lines. Latitudes are imaginary lines. Latitudes are which lines? Horizontal lines. Then longitudes are vertical lines. Latitudes are circles. Then longitudes are semicircles. So that differentiation also you try to understand. Okay na? So in especially next class I am going to differentiate the usages of latitudes and longitudes. Okay na? Remember everything understood? Very good. Thank you.